This is gold ore. Doesn't it look glittering? From 1 ton of gold ore, only a few grams of gold can be extracted. However, modern gold mining is fully automated. So let's take a look at how gold is actually processed. There are 2 main types of crushing equipment. The first is a jaw crusher. It uses 2 massive, high-strength steel plates like giant washboards. With a crushing force of up to 100 tons, it breaks large rocks into pieces about the size of pigeon eggs. The second machine is a cone crusher. Inside, an inverted high-strength steel cone continuously collides with the crushed stones, breaking the pigeon eggs into even smaller pieces. The crushed material passes through a sieve. Particles smaller than 2 millimeters move on to the next stage. Larger particles are sent back to the cone crusher for further crushing. Ball mill is a huge rotating steel cylinder, filled with proportionally mixed steel balls of different sizes. Ore and water are added together. As the cylinder rotates, the steel balls rise to the top, and then fall with force, crushing and grinding the ore. After repeated grinding, the ore becomes a slurry with a texture similar to sesame paste. The slurry then flows into a hydrocyclone. Inside the vortex, larger particles are thrown outward and sent back for more grinding. Fine particles overflow, forming mineral powder as fine as flour. It rolls up and then enters the next process. If the gold particles are relatively large, an automatic shaking table can be used. Because gold is much heavier than the surrounding ore, continuous shaking separates the gold step by step. Flotation machine is a stirring tank filled with special chemicals. The agitator rotates at high speed, producing countless bubbles. This time, gold particles attach themselves to these bubbles and float to the surface. Finally, an automatic scraper continuously removes the gold-rich foam. A filter press is a pressurized filter. Using pressure in dense filter fabric, excess water is removed. What remains is a slurry of gold powder. And finally, we collect them. After drying, we obtain gold powder with up to 95% purity. This complete system is not only used for gold mining, but also for copper ore, lithium ore, and rare earth ores. So if your friend is still panning for gold in Africa, maybe it's time to buy him a real mining system.